Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the flash effect on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are, and first of all, let's add our clips. So here's our timeline. So these are two clips that will be transitioning using the flash effect. But remember, you can also use the flash effect for not only for transitions, but for just effects so that you can make your editing better. So first of all, what we need to do is to add an adjustment layer into the timeline, just like this one. If you don't know how to add an adjustment layer, then you simply need to go here into your project panel. And then from here, we're going to go and right click right here. But actually, if you expand this, you would have this button right here. You can click on new item and then click on adjustment layer and then OK. And then you simply need to drag that adjustment layer into your timeline, just like this one right here. But we're going to go and put it like this because I don't want it to really take space. So I'm gonna do it like that, and maybe more, just like that. And now we have our adjustment layer right here. So we're gonna cut this into two shift frames. So I'm gonna go to the beginning of my adjustment layer and hold my shift button and tap on my arrow key button to the right 2 times so that it will be like this. And I'm gonna cut it and just like that. And I'm gonna put it in the in the middle of the two clips right here. It's in the middle right there. And then I'm gonna go into effects right here, and I'm gonna go for brightness. Here, brightness and contrast, I'm gonna add it to the adjustment layer. And after that, we're gonna keyframe the brightness right here at the beginning. So it's gonna be 0, and then in the middle it should be 100. Right there, it's 100, and then at the end it's 0 again. So I'm gonna go and put some 0 right there. So when you play it, it will be like this. And as you can see, it's a flash effect just like that. And you can also up or boost the brightness right here to more if you duplicate this. So I'm gonna go and copy and then paste again. As you can see, it's much more brighter right there if you want to, but I don't want this one. And I'm just gonna adjust the duration of this since I think the flash is too long. Maybe this one right here, maybe this one, or just like that. Make sure that it's in the middle, and when I play it, it's like this. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. I think I'm satisfied with the transition. So that is how you add the flash effect on Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.